In this short video, we'll cover how SOCAutomation's DataHelix PDR anti-phishing protects your organization and staff from the advanced phishing attacks pervading the business world in 2025. We'll start by sending a real phishing message to a live Microsoft Exchange account. For the purposes of this demonstration only, we'll allow this email to be delivered. We'll then show DataHelix PDR's detection capabilities, including automatic remediation and incident response. So let's begin by sending a phishing email. Please note this is a real phishing email. This message is being sent to an account that I control. So please don't send phishing emails to anyone. And this Mimecast message here at the top, we'll get to that in a moment. So we'll press send. Okay, this message is on its way. Here we are viewing the Outlook client for our demo account that is about to receive the phishing email. As this is a demo environment, and so I can show the message being received, I am manually going to initiate the PDR detection so that the steps can be seen on the screen. In a production environment, all this happens automatically. We now see the email has arrived. It's not been blocked by phishing or protection mechanisms, and that's because the email itself does not directly contain anything malicious for an anti-phishing to detect. This is where DataHelix PDR comes in. I will now initiate the PDR scan, and we can see the email is now gone. In fact, in this case, I have configured PDR to move the message into the junk folder. Many other actions are possible, including admin-only retrieval and hard delete, as well as many other actions. It's worth noting here that were this a phishing campaign, as is often the case, DataHelix PDR also automatically takes the remediation actions on all similar emails, whether the same, slightly different, or completely different. In this way, phishing campaigns are stopped in their tracks. While seeing a malicious email disappear in real time may not seem the most interesting thing to enjoy, protecting your business scaled across thousands of users is hugely powerful. Now, in addition to the auto remediation, is the interesting part. How did DataHelix PDR detect this phishing attack when no other product was able to? Enter SOCAutomation's forensics. This automated system deep dives into every nook and cranny of every piece of data that hits your organization. In this demonstration, we're focusing on phishing attacks. However, the same applies to any other type of data. DataHelix AI focuses on everything from network packets to emails to attachments to SIM logs and everything in between. Here we are in SOCAutomation's case management view, and we can see in detail the forensic analysis of the phishing message that we just sent. We can see the source of the threat actor in our message originated from South Africa. Let's look into the analytics section of this phishing report. We see that this URL, which was in the phishing email, has within it URLs to a login page based in Canada. This page contains a form that gathers information from the user and then fails. That is to say, it's a credential stealer. These attacks are very prevalent today because without actually following where links go and analyzing their content, they are impossible to detect. In addition to being hard to detect, these attacks have a high payoff for the hackers as they provide them with the credentials of their victim. Now, if we scroll down to the PDR analytics, we can view the phishing attack in safety. Here, the email is displayed but it is redacted as it may contain personal sensitive information that the viewer may not be authorized to see. We will unredact the content and show it here. Remember that Mimecast message I added to the front of the email? Well, that is precisely where the link to the malicious attack site is located. From the user's perspective, this looks like the only safe place to click, and it leads to login to what seems like their organization's Microsoft environment, but is in fact just hijacking their credentials. Contact us to discover more about the power of DataHelix AI and visit our website. And as always, thanks for watching.